Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to put the ID connectors on the end of your injector harness. So we're going to cut the harness loom back some. Gives more room for the wires because from the factory the loom is literally right on the back of the connector. So by the time you cut the wires off, it's not enough wire hanging through to actually push the wires through the pins. So I already cut it back, so I'm just gonna cut it right at the back of the connector. You can throw it in your garbage can. Got a wire stripper. There we go. You don't need to strip them back very far, about 1/4 of an inch or so. All right, then we're gonna take the weather pack seal. For whatever reason, I see a lot of people install these backwards. So the fatter end goes towards the wire first. So like this. For whatever reason, I see people installing them this way. That is not the way you're supposed to do it, because then you don't crimp them on with the pin, and it's just not the right way to do it. It's not the way you're supposed to do it. So you put it on with the fat end going on first. You're gonna line up the weather pack seal to the wire sheath. Get your pair of pin crimpers. You can get it off your local tool truck. So this one is a very small pin, so I'm gonna come here and stick it right in there. Stick the wire in the pin with the weather pack seal. Get that first bump of the weather pack seal over the back, and then squish. All right. Now I'm going to squish the weather seal on too. Here we go. So that's how it should look. If you notice this weather seal is not going to come off. It's crimped in with the pin. So when you stick it in there, if you would have had it in backwards, you wouldn't have been able to crimp it on. And once you push the pin in, you just push the weather seal back off. So let me go ahead and do this other one. Get it in there. Squish. And before I install them, I like to give them a little tug. Make sure I've got a nice crimp. Grab the connector. Probably helps if you put it on in the right direction. And you push it in until it clicks. And you can take the red lock and push it down. And that's all there is to it.